Here is a Contempra electric indoor grill. It is allegedly smokeless, easy to use, energy efficient, and dishwasher safe. Made in USA, so it probably still works. Now, some of these things are true. It may broil, grill, and barbecue toast. Not sure it won't make any kind of a mess. It might start a conversation at the dining table, or it might not. Great for whores to whoever is snacks, party foods, that's probably true. Ideal for quick browning foods for microwave cooking. I'm not sure if that's true or not. I don't really do any microwave cooking. 100 square inch cooking surface handles fish, chicken, beef, pork, and even many vegetables without added fats and oils. The gift that they'll love because they'll use it daily for the years to come. I don't know who is being talked about. Convenient, attractive design, and dishwasher safe for no hassle cleaning with no scrubbing. I feel like something like this would have to be scrubbed pretty aggressively to get it to come clean. Healthy, keeps vaporized fats and carbons from food surfaces. No more carbon taste. That's probably true. However, that also kind of, in a lot of people's minds, probably defeats the purpose of using the grill. Energy efficient, I don't believe that because it's just a basic heating element. Easy to use, that might be true. And made in USA. I don't know what this would have cost when it was new. I only paid $10 for it. And it looks like it's still in new condition. See, there they are at the dinner table having a conversation about it. No splatter, no mess, easy to clean. Approved by UL for indoor use. 800 watts. Lightweight, no assembly required. Made in USA. Alright, let's open this thing up and plug it up and see if it works, because I want to make some hamburgers tonight and it's freezing out and I'm not going outside to do it. So I think I'm going to do it on this. I do have other indoor grills, but they're not like this one. This is like, you feel like cooking on an actual grill. So this does appear to be unused. We have the four, nope, there's not four, there's 5. The 5 skewers, which are actually pretty solid. We have actually this is not new. You can tell there's some dirt on here from being used in the past, but it's fairly clean. The heating element, which makes the hot. It's definitely been used, but whoever had it took fairly good care of it and kept it relatively clean after use. It's a little sticky up here. I would think that the element would become caked in junk, especially like if you're cooking something like hamburgers where the fats will fall in there. I would expect you're going to get a fair bit of smoke too if a drop of fat sits on the element. Oh, the information says do not immerse in water. Lakewood, New Jersey. Contempra Industries. I wonder if that's... No, I guess that wouldn't be where Lakewood was situated, because Lakewood was the streets. 120 volts, 825 watts. So there's a lie here, because this says 825, the box says 800, so... Oh! I just found out how much it costs. It costed $29.99 at Caldors. I haven't heard that name in a long time. I don't know how old this thing is. Do we have any kind of dates on there? I don't see any. I think this is pretty old though. This cord is definitely getting up there. Though it looks like it's in good shape still. It is a heater cord 16.2. It feels like a heater cord. It's got that like really rubbery feel to it. Alright, so that's, I guess, doesn't quite sit flush. Oh, that's that piece right there. That probably is where it sits. There we go. Now it sits flush. Okay, and then so this would go on top like that, and then we have the grill. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. We've got 119.8 volts coming through here. Lights just flicked. 769 watts. 6.69 amps. Power factor 0.99. It is getting hot. The photograph shows that element glowing bright red. It'd be very interesting to see how this cooks, because there's no temperature regulation on here, so it presumably just gets hotter and hotter until it eventually reaches its operating temperature, whatever that may be. Still pulling, let's see, it's pulling 757 watts now. And I'm feeling a lot of heat coming off of it now. Now this is getting really hot. I'll let it cook for a minute and see if the element starts to glow like it does in the photograph. I don't think it's going to. It's only 800 watts. It's been operating for several minutes now, and the element is starting to glow. It looks bright on the camera, but it's almost undetectable in person, especially with the lights on. It's drawing 756 the watts, 6.56 the amps with a power factor of 0.99. That's at 115.2 the volts. So it seems to work. So now that we know it works, I'm going to let it cool off. I'll run it through the dishwasher just to clean it up and sanitize it, and then we'll cook a meal on this thing. Off.